This is the CK14 single-road engine shed by Wills Kits in 00/HO gauge. This is a plastic model kit that will require assembly and can be painted and weathered as desired. In the box, you will find 2 packets containing a selection of multicolored plastic parts. Additionally, there is an assembly guide together with a hints and tips sheet. Please note, this kit is part of the Craftsman collection by Wills Kits. These aim to offer various scratch building options to the modeler should they so wish. The first packet contains 4 identical buff-colored plastic sheets that will help form the external walls. All external surfaces have significant recessed brick and tile detailing, thus enabling washes or other weathering techniques to be considered. This brown sprue contains the external doors plus the downpipes for the guttering. Here we can see the ridge tiles and gutters on this terracotta-coloured sprue. There are 2 white sprues containing the building windows. Glass for the windows can be sourced from the clear plastic packaging. Additionally, there are also some brickwork window arches on this small sprue. The second packet also contains a selection of parts including 2 walls with spaces for the window frames. Two dark grey sheets contain the elements for the tiled roof. These 2 sand-colored sheets contain the sides for the external tank, plus the ventilation grills. Additionally, there is a separate green corrugated roof section for the tank. The final parts shown here include a plastic base and internal wall supports. The comprehensive written and pictorial assembly guide includes templates for cutting various external features. There is also a written hints and tips sheet to help with the build. The CK14 single road engine shed by Wills kits in 00/HO gauge.